Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoArk. I hope you are having an amazing day. And today we're going to talk a little bit about market updates into the altcoins, right? Let's talk about what's going to happen next over the weekend and maybe the start of the next weekend, all right? So what we have here right in front of me is CRO, is the coin for Crypto.com, right? I was talking a lot about that yesterday on Twitter. This coin just exploded yesterday. This huge move right here was just yesterday. So it went up around 40% at its peak. 38, 39, almost 40% on its peak. And this is the last time I took some TP on that coin, right? I sold around 30-40% of my bags here. Now it's retracing. I'm loving this. I'm loving this because I'm gonna multiply this coin a lot. So anything under this line is gonna be a rebuy to me, right? Preferably here, right? So if it comes back down to this area, to this zone, I will buy again. I will load it up again. So this is insane because if I sold here and I buy here, it's 35% more coins out of my 40%. This was a nice play for yesterday. What's going to happen next? I'm probably see it's retracing. As you can see here, my indicator is kind of doing a reversal signal, but is just not strong enough or not confirmed yet. As you can see, it's just a light one. And yeah, that's it. So let's have a look at ADA, right? Cardano. And Cardano is doing something beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you look back, what Cardano has is this big trend line coming all the way here, right? Some people even may argue that, it was coming all the way from here, which is valid as well. So it's still almost the triangle that we have this very strong support level at $2, right? We keep wicking down, going down here, but every time we go, look at how many reversal signals we have, right? And again, on Market Cipher, how much bottles we have, right? How much shifting momentums we have. But it's still, the EMA cloud is still pushing down the price. You see, we cannot break above this EMA cloud. So this is something to pay attention to, is the 250 EMA. Once we break it, yes, we have clear skies ahead, and the next level is going to be 240, 238. That's it. BNB, as I said, CRO exploded because yesterday was a day for centralized exchange, right? Everything was exploding. BNB, CRO. So I wouldn't recommend any buy in these coins right now because definitely they will retrace, right? They will retrace. Those guys will come back down. CRO for sure will come back down. BNB probably somewhere in this region right here. This is where I have my eyes right now. Is the last resistance point. Anyways, XRP. Everyone is talking about XRP. XRP in the daily time frame looks good, right? We have a reversal here, and we have this nice formation of U. Some people may call it cup and handle, but I don't accept this as a cup and handle. I posted on Twitter many times. Cup and handle has to be on the weekly. Is a very high time frame. So this could be a valid cup and handle, right? This could be one, but still SEC, the shadow of SEC is over XRP and not allowing XRP to move. Otherwise, XRP definitely should conquer at least its previous all-time high, which is 180% from here. This is if SEC goes away. So SEC is there. Let's play the game as we know for now. So this is just a U formation. It is still good. It's not so big as a cup and handle, but anyways, we have this reversal signal. Money flow is decreasing here. Momentum has clipped. It doesn't look that good, right? It doesn't look that good. But if you mark a trend right here, right, you can see that there's somehow some sort of triangle as well. So there is a trend, a valid trend, that once we break it, we can hit 150, 140, right? That's it for XRP. Dogecoin, all the meme coins, they are screwed up right now. I wouldn't recommend anyone to take it. They are in a kind of consolidation phase. Yes, you can, have a buy down here under $20 on Dogecoin, but right now at this price, I wouldn't risk. Right, I wouldn't risk. All DeFi, Uni, 1inch. What's going on with those guys? Well, on the daily, everyone looks the same except 1inch that had a run, right? And I had some levels marked on 1inch. $4 on 1inch is also key. You can see we spiked up and then we retrace back down exactly to $4. And then now here we are, right? We're still here above EMA cloud. That's good. That's good. It's turning blue, so that's also good. VWAP going up, not the way we expect, but yeah, it is not my big buy right now. And definitely we have a level. You see how we are consolidating that level, but I wouldn't risk 1inch right now, right? Sushi, same situation. Like we have a level right here, as you can see. Let me mark that level. It comes all the way back from this week right here. There you go. And you can see how we are consolidating with this level, right? We try to fight this level so many times. We spike up, we speak, weak down. And yeah, again, DeFi is not exploding right now. Some people talk about Litecoin to $1,000. I don't believe that's going to happen this year. Absolutely not, right? If you look back in daily, some people will say or argue, oh, we're going to reconquer at least this point. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. It's definitely going up on a trend. And as you guys know, I don't like to trade this. It's slopping up resistance, support. I don't like it because it's too fragile, right? At any time, the price can just break this and melt. It can just go back down. So I don't like to trade this. I wouldn't recommend. Let's have a look at DOT. DOT is one that I'm really excited. It's because of the parachain, right? Just like Cardano a few months ago, the parachain is coming, and that is big. As if you are aware, BNB, Binance is talking about parachain auctions, so they will allow their users to stake DOT and receive some tokens to do the governance tokens. That's great. That's great. That is going to inspire people to keep and hold the coin. So that's really good. And we have this nice level over here. And as you can see, we broke above it. We found support, and now we are shooting higher, right? I do believe at this point, I had this mark here because I didn't like to trade at this point. But yeah, it was a good trade after all, right? If you took that trade in the moment we hit the last time, the trend line is 100%. But yeah, DOT is not my favorite coin. And as you can see, EMA Cloud is too far from the price. I don't like to see that as well. Probably this guy is going to retrace back to this level and then have some more momentums, right? So DOT, just be careful. I wouldn't buy right now. At 43, I would buy, yes. Some minor cap coins, right? So Solana is definitely price discovery, no doubt. I don't know what to say about Solana. I had Solana at such low level. You see this level right here, marked 20. This was the time that I got a lot of Solana. And I got it here, it exploded, I sold, and then back here, I bought again, but I wasn't confident enough. I sold most of it at this point, this very point, $70. And look at this, right? If I had hold, oh gosh, 1000%. But anyways, this is the biggest level in Solana so far. I don't believe we're gonna keep going up forever. For sure, we're gonna have some sort of retrace here, maybe retest this level, and then we can continue, right? So Solana, not a buy for me. STMX, this one is one I have my eyes on. This one is definitely a buy. You see, I'm very close above the EMA cloud. It's kind of coiling up. We don't have any signals, but if we start going through the time frames, you're gonna see some signals, right? So if this was a signal, definitely this level is a buy, and now it's exploding or going up a little bit. There is definitely on the 12 hours, as you can see here, very, very clear resistance line going from here to here, right? We are about, depends on how you draw this. You could draw that way from week to week. You could draw from the bodies. But what matters most to me is the actual prices, right? Those key level prices. So this guy right here, it's one. This guy right here, it's another one. Those are the levels to take profits if you buy STMX. So it's 20% move, and here another 35% move, right? As you can see, market cipher, we had a green clip right here. So it's shifting momentum. That's good on the 12 hours. Going up today 5-6%. And now the Metaverse, right? The Metaverse already exploded. It's hard. At this point, when you make such a drastic move, the best you can do is fib, right? The best you can do here is fib. So the only level that I would buy again, it's back here, right? This is sand. Back here, around 1.3 to $1.7. That is very close to the EMA cloud. That makes sense. Aligns perfectly with fib. Aligns perfectly with this level. If I had to draw this level here without fib, I would draw it this way, like this candle to this week, right? So everything here is in confluence. This is the buy zone for sand. Theta. Theta is one coin that is not moving at all, right? Theta or TFU is both kind of YouTube competitors, like it's online video streaming. I don't like this coin. I don't like this coin. This pattern here doesn't tell me anything. Like, there is a resistance here and one up triangle here as well that you may argue that it comes all the way from here. So yeah, it's a huge pattern that could explode, but I don't know. Maybe it's a bit too far. I would buy back again here around 5, right? Not around 7, definitely. VeChain, right? Let's have a look at VeChain. VeChain has some momentum. The time to buy was here. Now it's a little bit overextended. If it comes back down to the EMA cloud, that's a buy. Let's have a look at eGold. eGold is price discovery. No way we're gonna buy this, right? Too far from the EMA clouds as well. Time to buy was here, here, or here. Matic. Matic, again, overextended, or at least it's too late to me, right? When we retrace back to the EMA cloud, we may have it. VWAP here, it's kind of coiling up, but not the way we like to see, like this one, right? This one was a little bit better, or this one was perfect. This one was perfect. You see what happened? Whoop, and then the price whoop, exploded, right? So, and finally, Luna, right? Luna is also a coin that I have my eyes on. Definitely a good coin because it has a lot of upside potential. But right now, would I buy it? Well, as you see, there's not much signals. There's a clip here. So maybe it's going to retrace a little bit. Maybe Luna is going to do something like this to this level right here. And then it could continue up. So anything under 45 could be a buy for Luna, right? Under 45, let me mark it here. Precisely, this one. I even would argue like rounded 45, right? Rounded 45 because it's more psychological level. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy. That's it for today. Smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share some love, right? See you on the next one. Bye.